basically that we try to look at one single object from different perspectives, hoping that students will see where the differences between the perspectives are, how they differ, how they conflict maybe, but also how they can complement each other.
Yeah, so the point of our team teaching is that I represent the discipline of law and David represents the discipline of humanities, and that we enter into a dialogue, a staging of the different disciplinary perspectives on the text or the issues that we're discussing in that week.
Personally, I really enjoyed the team teaching lectures. I really liked how they actively invited you to participate. In addition, I also really enjoyed how they brought forward how different disciplines can either contradict each other, how they can strengthen each other, or how they might explain each other. I also really liked how they stressed the importance of changing perspective, how much it can matter from what point of view you're looking at a problem or a subject. In regards to Imagining Justice is a course that evolves around the relationship between law and justice. In the course you read multiple texts and you try to combine and interpret them. I really liked how they taught me to look at law in a more abstract way than I ever did before.